What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to download Facebook Story without any app. So first thing first, open the profile that you need. So then click on that button, then copy link for that profile. Then go to Safari and in the search bar go to website bravedown.com / then Facebook dash video dash downloader and go search. After that, scroll down a little bit until you find enter your URL. So click on that, then paste the link and click download. After that, you'll see download completed successfully. So scroll down and now you can choose story and resolution or just save in JPG format. So hope you enjoy guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.